Since all-time high of about 350, Litecoin has been making lower highs. Since March lows, it's only recovered maybe about 50%. Not as much as other top cryptocurrencies, but there is still a possibility that Litecoin will get its time to shine. It has been mostly range bound with no clear trend. The price right now is struggling to stay above that 21 and that 50-day moving average, and even that 200-day moving average. We haven't been above that since March, since that big drop we've had. But right now, let's go look at some of the support and resistance levels, and then we'll come back in the platform and come up with our 2020 outlook. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video and you want to support the channel, hit that like and subscribe button, and we will keep these videos coming. So on a daily chart, the first level of support we're going to want to watch is 4250, which has been the average support range for the past 3 months. 3950 would be the next level of support to watch. It has been tested 3 times now in the past 3 months, but it did bounce each time. If Litecoin does continue its uptrend, we will need to watch the first resistance zone at around $46, which was tested earlier this month, and a close above that would make the current trend more bullish. 200 moving average would be the next level after that. Right now it's currently at around $50, and a close above that would put Litecoin on track to test the yearly high from February. Litecoin 2.0 update is also on the way. It is called the Wimble upgrade, and it is aiming to enhance the privacy and scalability of Litecoin. Charlie Lee, the creator of Litecoin, sat down with Cointelegraph to provide some information on that. He noted that the upgrade will be able to scale much better than existing privacy cryptos, but the downside with that is that there will be a hidden inflation, which can potentially lead to hackers making counterfeit coins. He said that the risk is managed since the privacy feature won't be added to the whole Litecoin network. Charlie Lee also noted that Litecoin's reputation as the boring cryptocurrency is also an advantage because the approach that other products have had has not been a good approach, in his opinion, and that you want money to be stable and work, and that Litecoin has worked flawlessly over the past 9 years. Another thing here is a possible Litecoin and Cardano partnership in the works. Cardano founder recently said on Twitter that he did not mind working with Litecoin founder Charlie Lee to test cross-chain communication. Both have founded 2 of the top cryptocurrencies and have a notable status in the crypto and blockchain space. So a partnership between Litecoin and Cardano could make them take the lead and open a new door for altcoins and cross-chain communications. Another thing to note here that could be the possible reason why the price has been moving sideways. It's reported that Litecoin's trading volume has reached a 2-year low, and even development on the blockchain itself, according to the GitHub. Transaction fees and the hash rate has dropped, but the good thing is long-term investors and holders are still hoarding Litecoin. So right now, this steady price action we've been having could be a good spot to buy. But let's come up with our 2020 outlook for Litecoin. If we go towards the upside, that would bring us right above this trend line here from the highs this year of around $80. That would put us right on track to continue the uptrend and finally have a close above this 200-day moving average. The last time the price crossed the 200-day moving average to the upside, it was followed by 2 weeks of bullish price action, and that brought us to a new high this year, similar to what happened here also in 2019, and Litecoin went up about 200%. If the price does fail to break out of this range, then there is a possibility for a double bottom. We would hope that the price does make a higher low. Otherwise, it can continue to break down. Here on the weekly chart, looking to the end of 2020, the price has been also sideways with more strength to the downside. The price is currently below all 3 moving averages. The MACD is still bullish, and the RSI is just under 50, right at 45, indicating that Litecoin is slightly oversold. Bullish price outlook for Litecoin would be right around $95, $96, because that would mean we broke out of all those resistance zones and then made it back to a strong support range. If we did make it up to those levels, I would see $85 as a floor level, since that is the high of this year, and potentially the resistance for that would be the psychological $100. My bearish outlook for Litecoin is about $10. I put it that low as a worst case scenario. I don't see much support right now if we were to break down. So $10 is a possibility. It would all be dependent on what Bitcoin does and also the adoption and development of Litecoin. Let me know in the comments what you think Litecoin can be by the end of the year, either up towards $95 or maybe even break down below $10. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.